Hey gang, check this out, man. By the link in the title, you already know what type of time we on. I'm gonna leave Midwest Safety link in the description after the video. You know how the videos start out, you get your teaser, then we get straight into it. It's a way to stop a motorcycle chase. So, I mean, the caption speak loud for itself, you feel me? Like, so we just gonna get into it.
On November 8th, 2023, an Arkansas state trooper was on a routine patrol when he saw a motorcycle lane splitting. Lane splitting may be legal in California, but not in Arkansas. Also not legal in Arkansas, going double the speed limit. The trooper quickly flips on his lights and sirens, attempting to pull over the suspect. The situation quickly evolves into a pursuit, one where officers utilize a tactic never seen before on this channel. This second officer is traveling northbound on I-430, while the pursuing officer is traveling eastbound on I-40. This second officer is likely rushing through traffic in hopes to continue the chase if the motorcyclist outpaces the pursuing officer. Otherwise, if the suspect heads south, the officer will have to use an unusual tactic to stop the chase, which would be coming from the opposite side of the highway.
It's gonna be wild. It might not end good at all. It's dangerous, boy.
According to the speed tracker on the officer's cruiser, the pursuit reaches speeds of 142 miles per hour. One small misstep by this motorcyclist at these high speeds, and he's done for.
He know how to ride. He know how to ride.
Blue motorcycle, guy's wearing a tan shirt, dark green pants, brown boots, camo jacket, no shoes to fight.
Oh! Boy, that dangerous, boy.
37 is going on 430 right now.
One mistake and it's over. He riding though.
37, don't try to break your neck getting up there. He's able to stay with it. Now we are close. About 130. Traffic was heavy, so we're in another traffic.
Whoa, boy. You taking some risks, boy. For real. Why you just won't get on the shoulder and go? You on the wrong shoulder. That's where everybody gonna pull over to. Woo! Man, you better hit the gas.
Listen, if he gets to that crash, should get in there, the traffic back up.
Oh, he got me tensing up over here watching him ride.
We're up to 142 now. He's on the right shoulder, Pat.
Time for you to disappear. You need to get off the exit or something. You need to get off the exit or something, bro. You gotta disappear.
A third officer joins the pursuit and jumps onto 40 East,
Ah.
just behind the initial cruiser. The second cruiser is still traveling northbound on I-430, and it looks like he won't be able to catch up in time to continue the chase on I-40. However, the suspect is coming up to this fork in the highway. He can either continue east on I-40, or he could decide to take an exit to travel southbound on I-430
He gonna
and
go
unknowingly
I-430,
travel
watch.
towards the second pursuing officer.
Yeah, I got a feeling. Man, watch. We done watched too many criminals watch too many dumb mistakes. I mean, do too many dumb mistakes.
Shitty driver, you with it? Yeah, we're going to bar, just right bar, like half mile.
You keep slowing down.
The suspect did take the I-430 south exit and is now heading directly towards the second officer. Thinking fast, the officer drives his cruiser over the median in an attempt to make a blockade on the highway.
Got him.
And on the shoulder right now. 430 south, get ready to go up to 12. Right now, 430 south, get ready to go up to 12. And 37 ahead of it. 37 southbound. With the transplant.
He wrecked it out, Hey, get on the f***ing ground! On the ground, now! On the ground! Get your own back there.
Don't run for me no more.
Hey, shut the f*** up! Hey, shut up! Hey, I don't give a fuck. We're cutting it.
You got these clips on the front, yeah.
I don't give a shit. I'm cutting your helmet off too.
It's a little pull tab.
I don't care.
That red tab.
I don't care. It's getting cut off.
Okay.
I get those earbuds off the field? He's going back to Faulkner County.
Oh, yeah.
Turn this way. Stop facing this way.
They made him pick himself.
Hey, face the car. The right remain silent. You understand your rights? Yes, sir. Bike stolen?
No, sir. I just found it on Saturday. I have the bill of sale on this phone.
Slide in.
That. Can I pull these pants
Get
up
in.
real quick? Okay. I don't have much to say to y'all, but I apologize. That was stupid. I shouldn't have.
You're right.
I shouldn't have put y'all through that.
Gun. Ronald, take a picture of where this gun is.
Let me get my camera.
Yes, sir.
How do you run off the road?
I blocked this lane and the shoulder.
That's the only reason the damn pursuit stopped.
Yeah.
He can either stop or run off the road.
Using the math seen here on screen, we estimate that the suspect is traveling roughly 32 to 45 miles per hour when he passes in front of this cruiser. By employing this novel approach, not only does this tactic bring the vehicular chase to an abrupt halt, but it also cleverly prompts the motorcyclist to swiftly and substantially reduce their speed to a much safer level, far below 142 miles per hour.
Had you not done what you did, he'd still be running right now. He's got no criminal history at all. Running just to be running. No dope, no criminal history.
So you're really just running around now?
He's just running for no reason. Any dope on him? No. He's never even been arrested.
He just
What it
on the
is, it's the
ride.
exact same bike that I chased a couple months ago. And he was driving the same too. Doing is like, he's getting on top of it, weaving real hard, like trying to shake it, just being stupid, you know?
According to a police report, officers discovered he was carrying a blue pistol with an extra magazine in his backpack. Multiple officers in the area noted that they witnessed who they believed to be the same rider speeding excessively days prior, but were not able to stop him. The report lists charges for one felony for fleeing in a vehicle causing substantial danger, and several misdemeanors including reckless driving, speeding more than 15 over the limit, which, in this case, it was likely more than 65 miles over the speed limit, improper, unsafe lane change, improper passing on left, improper passing on right, failure to use turn signal, driving vehicle without tags, no proof of insurance, and no motorcycle endorsement. His current court case verdict and sentencing are currently unknown. We found out about this incident thanks to safetyvid.org, which caught the crash on this Arkansas
Shout out to safetyvid.org for this.
DOT camera to get footage of